In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add bots to your Discord server. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head to your web browser and search up the bot you want to add to your server. So in my case, there's this bot known as Poke2, which is related to Pokemon and stuff. So in my case, I want to add this bot to my server. So I'm gonna go to my web browser and search up add Poke2 bot. And once that is done, I'm gonna click on this link which says add Poke2 Discord bot in white link. So I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna open a website like this. So that's the logo of the bot right there. And now all I have to do is click add. I have to go down and click add Poke2 Discord bot. So I'm gonna click on that, and it's gonna redirect me to discord.com, and then it's gonna open my account. So as you guys can see, that's my account right there, signed in as Frogerson. So let's say in your case you might have to log into your account, or let's say you're already logged in an account and you want to use some other account, you can click not you and sign in with your other account. So once that is done, all you have to do is click this pop-up, and then you're gonna see many servers, okay? But in my case, this is the only server I'm in, and this is my own server. I can just select the server I want to choose. But in your case, you might have many servers, but in my case, it's just one. So I'm gonna choose it, and I'm gonna click continue. So then you're gonna give it the permissions. So you always have to give it all the permissions for it to function properly. So once that is done, you can click authorize, and you're good to go. And now you can click go to Turn the Dragon server. You can go to the server and give it more permissions if you want. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.